In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rack up major points in Block Blast. If you are starting at your screen wondering where to even begin and you are worried about scoring low, don't worry. Stick around because I'm about to reveal some pro tips that 99% of players have no idea about. Grab your phone, put your thinking cap on, and maybe even grab a snack because we are jumping in. First things first, let's go over the basics. As most of you know, the game has different difficulty levels. You can play in Zen mode until you hit 3,000 points. But once you cross that line, it's like the game decides the fun is over. One wrong move and boom, you're out. Which brings me to my first tip. Think ahead. I know, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos, but hear me out. Planning ahead in Block Blast is key. It's like chess, but instead of an opponent, you're trying to outsmart a tricky algorithm. Focus on those odd, hard to place pieces. Don't just rush into making moves. Think about how to clear them and set up combos. It's like designing a blueprint for a building, except your blueprint is trying to avoid losing your mind. Next, let's talk about tip number 2. Clear at least one row or column. This is a game changer as your score grows. Once you are further in, clearing rows or columns becomes your lifeline. Without clearing even one, you'll get stuck faster than a slow internet connection. Don't just shove smaller blocks into random spots. Take a moment, breathe, and think strategically. Even if you lose a life and get new blocks, don't panic. Take a deep breath, place the blocks carefully, and clear something out. Chaos is best handled by someone who is prepared. Alright, that's all I've got for today. Hopefully you're feeling a little wiser and a little less stressed. See you in the next video. Let's hope it's with a higher score and fewer gray hairs. Happy blasting, and feel free to check out my other Block Blast videos.
Unbelievable!